Okay, welcome to our short introduction to the Our Solar System augmented reality app. This is an app designed for classrooms or for homeschooling, or simply just for fun. If your kids are interested in the planets, in the solar system, and in space in general, this is actually a pretty cool app to get them playing around with the planets, learning in an exciting way. So what you have here is the main menu. In the main menu you can basically choose, using the buttons down below, whether you want to learn about the solar system or the planets, which will show you the individual planets up close, the way they act, the way they actually could be seen if you were in space and orbiting that planet. So let's go for the solar system first. I used the solar system button and then I hit start now, and now the scene will load. And yeah, that's me. Hi. And what you will need now, on top of the app running, is the solar marker. This is the image that you can see in the middle here. And you can find it either in the screenshots section of the App Store, or you can download a small PDF file that gives you some instructions on how to use augmented reality and, of course, the image marker. You can print it out in color or in black and white, and then put it on the table and focus your camera on that image, and then you will see how the actual app responds and shows you the solar system. I have to fake this a little bit, as a recording of an augmented reality camera feed isn't that easy and would be not representative of what the app really looks like. So as you can see, the app recognizes that image marker, and depending on the angle of the camera to the actual image, the 3D content will change. If I move the camera in and out, I can get more detail or less detail, and if you have it standing on your table, this will look like a hologram based on your table. In the actual app, you will have this text field here not cut off. This is just simply due to the fact that I have to record this image in my development software, but it will look the same and a little bit better when it comes to the content. So this is your marker in action, and of course you can print it out for each student or for each device that you use, or you can print out one version and have several students use it with their own devices, which actually could be more fun. Now, the text will basically tell you about the individual topic here. We have the first topic here would be the inner planets, which tells you a little bit about the inner planets and what we call the inner planets. So as soon as you swipe the screen up and down, you will scroll through the text and get more information. If you switch or swipe the screen left and right, you will switch to the different topics and learn about, for instance, Mercury, its position, its rotation around the sun, and down here you have an indicator that basically tells you where you are in the solar system. The planets, of course, are in the right order, and the last one here is about the comets. Of course, we mentioned the asteroid field as well, and indicators show you where you are right now. This would be Mars, And as you can see, you can get in very close to the individual planets. This is a little bit more convenient if this marker lies on the table and you walk around with the device. So, but it gives you a good idea of what the app does. The button down to your where's my finger? There. The button here that says details can be used to switch off and on the text field if you find it distracting, or you want to rely on your own information that you give to your students and simply have them look at the planets or the solar system. That is what you would use it for. So this app can be used in different ways, actually. One thing about this marker, if you print it out, make sure that you print it out on not too glossy paper, as shadows, reflections, or kids doing their own scribbles on the marker might actually affect the stability of the digital content, because as soon as a lot of that image is covered, you can see that the marker starts, the content starts wobbling, and sometimes the tracking gets lost and then the image disappears, which will give you those instructions again. But as soon as you refocus the camera on the marker, you will get the stable image. To access the planets, in the main menu simply hit the planets and start now. Now we are in the scene for the planets. Looks the same, as it's basically the same function. It will just show you a different content. The functions are all the same. Swiping up and down, left and right, the details button, everything remains the same, and you use the same marker. But now what you get are the planets up close. Starting with the sun, you get information on the diameter, circumference, the rotation ratio, the distance to Earth, and the distance to the sun of each and every planet. So let's swipe through here. We get Mercury. Again, we have the text field at our left top corner. We get the same functions moving in and out of the marker, or walking around the marker with the camera, or rotating the marker. That depends on what you want to do with it. And yeah, we have Venus, and as you can see, the planets actually look very realistic, and what they actually look like in space, and your students get a very good idea of how our planets differentiate from each other. Earth, of course, with all the continents, the water. You can switch off the details to get a better look at the planet if that text field is distracting. We have Mars, the asteroid belt, the planet Jupiter, the gas giants, Uranus and Neptune, and we have Pluto as a honorable mention, basically, because that poor little fella got declassified and turned from a planet to a dwarf planet, but we have him still in here because we like him, because it's actually a pretty beautiful planet. So and of course you can go back and forth and have your students explore the planets of our solar system, which is basically what this app is all about. Okay. The yellow X in the top right corner takes you back to the main menu. And well, that's about it. So this app is really about interactivity. You using it as a tool for your students in class or for your kids at home when you do homeschooling. You can explore it, try to use it in different ways, and if you have any suggestions of what you would like to see in an update, just let us know. We would definitely try to implement that and make this app, our solar system, a more fun experience than it already is. So thanks for your time and enjoy the app. Thank you.